Hi, my name is Jessie Duke and I'm currently pursuing my undergraduate degree in graphic and media design. I'm excited to share with you my research proposal on the topic of how individuals with psychotic disorders artistically represent their subjective experience. The aim of my research is to explore the unique ways in which individuals with psychotic disorders use art as a means of expression and communication. By examining their visual representations, I seek to gain insight into their lived experiences, including their thoughts, emotions, and perceptual abnormalities. This research is significant as it contributes to our understanding of the intersection between mental health and artistic expression. By delving into visual narratives created by individuals with psychotic disorders, we can gain valuable insight into their internal worlds, challenges, and coping mechanism. This knowledge has the potential to foster empathy, reduce stigma, and provide new perceptions on mental health. Throughout this presentation, I will outline my research plan, including the research question, the context in which my research sits, relevant references, and a visual case studies. My 5 key words to summarize my research are psychotic disorders, visual portrayals, cognition, abnormalities, and subjective experiences. Artistic representation is a powerful medium for self-expression and communication. Understanding how individuals with psychotic disorders use art to convey their subjective experiences can provide valuable insight into their unique experiences, perceptions, and challenges. By examining their representations, we can gain a deeper understanding of their thoughts, emotions, and perceptual abnormalities. Through this understanding, we can appreciate their visual narratives, and we can promote a greater understanding of acceptance and support for these individuals living with mental health challenges. As someone who is neurodivergent and has personal experiences with autism and ADHD, I've spent a significant portion of my life in close proximity to individuals on the neurodivergent spectrum, including those with psychotic disorders such as schizophrenia and psychosis. Additionally, I initially chose to enroll in Kent to study psychology. However, I decided it wasn't for me, and I have transitioned into the field of graphic and media design at UAL. Although I'm not currently studying psychology, this is still an area I'm deeply passionate about. This personal and academic background has motivated me to explore the artistic expressions of individuals through psychotic disorders. By combining my interests in art and psychology, I'm able to contribute to the understanding of mental health experiences and promote awareness through visual narratives. Art since the dawn of humanity has been an outlet not only for communication but expression. It allows us to see into the hearts and minds of others in a format that transcends language and can be understood globally. By utilising art as a medium of exploration, we can gain a focused perspective on mental health and navigate the complexities of human experience. The decision to narrow the research focus specifically on conditions such as psychotic disorders rather than a broader concept such as mental health itself stems from the unique characteristics of these conditions. Psychotic disorders and their hallucinatory and reality-altering nature presents a particularly intriguing area of study. Art created by individuals with psychotic disorder holds the potential to offer replication into their distorted perception of reality and provide a deeper insight into their subjective experience. By delving into the artistic representations of individuals with psychotic disorders, I aim to unravel the intricate nuances of their inner worlds and contribute to a more comprehensive understanding of mental health. Exploring the intersection of art and psychosis not only provides valuable insight into the creative process, but also enables us to challenge previous societal perceptions surrounding mental health conditions. In preparation for this research proposal, I've spent time exploring relevant academic resources that align with my topic of interest. This preliminary research has allowed me to identify key studies and resources that shed light on the relationship between mental health and artistic expression and provide a solid foundation for my proposed study. I have selected 3 academic sources to inquire upon the correlation between art and psychotic disorders. The first being art therapy, a complementary treatment for mental disorders. The second, artistic creativity and a risk for schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, and a unipolar depression, a Swedish population-based case study. The following 2 other resources I took were not from academic papers, but they still provide valuable insights into my topic. The first being An Artist with Multiple Personalities, a documentary by Vice. The second being A Visceral Experience of Psychosis, why one artist spent 3 years painting bipolar disorder, from The Guardian. From The Guardian's article and Vice's documentary, I took these two artists and decided to do a mini case study on them. The first art piece is titled The Four Horsemen by Matt Oatley, the gentleman in The Guardian. This is an artist, again, who suffers from psychosis. His artwork, again, represents this, and you can see this here. It's quite an abstract, bizarre piece. And the next piece I've got here is Silent Prayers by Kim Noble. This one was done by one of her personalities called Anon. So she's got multiple different ones, and on her website and on her work, she lists all the different personalities that she's got, and all of them have their own unique painting style. So I've got some more here. So this one is done by Dawn, one of her personalities, and another one is here done by Judy. On some of her other works, she's noted that particular personalities tend to paint repressed trauma, and I think this would be an interesting element to look into within my research. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my dissertation proposal on the topic of how individuals with psychotic disorders artistically represent their subjective experience. In summary, this research aims to explore the powerful medium of artistic expression and gain insight into unique perceptions and challenges faced by individuals with psychotic disorders. By delving into visual representations created by these individuals, we can create a deeper understanding of their thoughts, emotions, and perceptual abnormalities. The significance of this research lies in its contribution to multiple fields, not just art, but also mental health and psychology, and hopefully the outcome will be to foster empathy and reduce stigma around these mental health conditions. Thank you once again for taking the time, and I look forward to embarking on this research proposal journey. Thanks.